lighting. Bad lighting.
Yeah. Da na 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 na. Da na na na. Da na na na.
What's up guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll be doing a Fashionnova haul. Yeah, yay. I've bought a lot of clothes from Fashionnova over the years, but today I'll only be showing you guys a few items from Fashionnova. Just a few. Our first item we have is this dress, this mini dress. So cute. It's a velvet / corduroy material, very soft, feels so comfy, and it also has like a round neck. I wore this dress on Christmas Day and it looked so good. I like it. Made me look like an Instagram body. Yes, I'm go on party, make you a movie night. We're just extra. Like, we Jamaicans, once we put on something and we feel fantastic in it, we extra. Yeah, Instagram baddie. Next we have the high waist skirt with the tank top. This is the color lavender. Fashionnova came through with this one. This skirt suit, because everywhere I go I get compliment on this one. Come up more. Don't make them see a little dry foot. My ashy skin. Don't come for me. This is a biker short set. Fishnet sides. Fishnet side in the crop top. I think I wore this. No, I didn't get to wear it for my birthday in July 2018. But I did wear it in Las Vegas. So you can see it's white. Crop top. But listen, I'm obsessed with biker shorts. Like, I got so many biker. This is not a Pretty Little Thing haul, but from Pretty Little Thing, their biker shorts are, I love it. And then when I saw this one on Fashionnova, I just had to have it. Yeah. But yeah. White, fishnet sides, crop top, fishnet side. This is a cute. Fashionnova came through with this one. Come for me. I love this though. I love this. It's cute. It's cute. Okay, so I know you guys have seen this one in the first video, my first video on YouTube. I am in love with this set. This is a mustard color short set with the, I'm in love with the sleeve. It's like a balloon sleeve, and it's also off the shoulder. You could either wear it like this, the way I'm wearing it now, or you could wear it like off the shoulder like this, or on this side. Doesn't matter, your favorite side. It's very stretchy. It is so comfy. Yeah. This is the back. Yeah. It's very loose. The top is very loose. It's a crop top. Then the shorts. Oh my goodness. So comfy, man. Like, Fashionnova. I'm in love. I mean, it's short. It's a very short set. It's very short, but it's cute. Like, it's very cute. I have so many clothes to try on, guys. I don't know when I'm gonna be done. This one is called a striped short set. Yeah. It's like a V-cut in the crop top. I love the way it fits. It fits me really well. Like, yeah. Yeah. It's stretchy. It's a stretchy material. It says finesse, snatched. It's a hot day outside and you just want to take a walk outside. You just throw this on. You know, living in Florida, it's so freaking hot, so yeah, you just throw this on. The shorts is from Fashionnova, but the top is from another store. But I wear it together. It's laced in the front, see? Laced. Zipper in the back. It's in the color black. This is from another store, like I said, but the shorts is from Fashionnova. 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 So this is not a set. I bought these separate from Fashionnova. It's soft white with round neck and laced front. Look at the design. It's like longer in the back and then it just comes up. I love the design. Long sleeve. This is my favorite pants from Fashionnova. My favorite. Like, it fits so well. Stripe tape. You see the back? It also has cuts in the knees. It just fits me so well. Like, I mean, black skirt set with the keyhole details on top. It's mesh, as you can see. Yes, I like it. It's just not me. So yeah, it was just a one-time wear. It has stud lining, like also on the skirt, and it's mesh. It comes with a underwear, like it's attached to the skirt, you know. This is the back. It has a zipper in the back. A zipper. It has stud all the way around. It's a crop top, as you can see. Like I said, keyhole details, mesh skirt, high-waisted, black. It's a cute skirt set, but it's, like I said, it's just not me. The white dress with rhinestones. So you can see the rhinestones on it. Yeah. It comes with a underwear under it. Yes, I cut the underwear out because this is not my style underwear. Yeah. So, yeah. This is a maxi dress, black. It's long. This is the back. Yeah. Last but not least, we have this denim romper, laced front, V-neck. It has a zipper in the back. I love it. It's cute. Alright, this is the last outfit. I purchased a lot of clothes from Fashionnova over the years. I could only try a few, just a few of them. I'm sure I'll be having more hauls coming soon. Alright guys, thanks for watching my video. Just like, comment, share, and subscribe. Share with your uncle, your auntie, your grandfather, your grandmother. I appreciate it. I appreciate you guys watching this video. I appreciate it so much. Just thank you.